Hi, I'm Doug DeVos. In 1959, Amway launched its very first product, LOC, a concentrated formula with biodegradable cleaning agents. It continues to be a bestseller among our household cleaning products. Inspired by our 50-year heritage of concentrated and biodegradable products, we are now launching the new Amway Home brand of cleaning products. For most people, it's a challenge to find laundry and cleaning products that provide powerful cleaning and contribute to a safer and healthier environment. But Amway Home products solve that challenge. The BioQuest formula technology in our Amway Home products contains ingredients derived from natural sources, such as coconuts, citrus, and minerals. Those ingredients enable our BioQuest formula products to deliver powerful cleaning performance while being environmentally sensitive. Today's Amway Home products offer solutions for laundry and cleaning using the same names the original household cleaners carried: the SA8, LOC, and Dish Drops brands. The basic characteristics these cleaning products shared for 50 years, superb cleaning and sensitivity to the environment, remains unchanged. No sacrifice was made to the quality of our products to obtain increased environmental sensitivity. Consumers continue to get the best of everything with Amway Home products. As we move into the next 50 years of global success, Amway Home products will continue to be an integral part of the Amway business. Like millions of distributors and consumers before you, I invite you to do yourself and your environment a favor. Take another look and see what a difference Amway Home products can make.